Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making better purchasing decisions. Today, we have a showdown between two robotic gladiators in the cleaning arena. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, which we'll call Sharky, and the HONITURE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo G20, or Honey. Get ready for a hilarious, opinionated, and slightly controversial comparison. Let the cleaning games begin. First up, suction power. Sharky boasts what they call incredible suction, which basically means it's ready to inhale your whole house if you let it. Reviewers have praised Sharky's ability to pick up dust and debris effectively, even after months of use. Meanwhile, Honey's 4,000 pascal super suction power might sound like a lot, but let's be real, it's like comparing a Dyson to a handheld fan. While some users appreciate Honey's performance, especially for pet hair, it doesn't quite match Sharky's prowess. Next, let's talk mopping efficiency. Sharky comes with sonic mopping, scrubbing hard floors 100 times per minute. It's like hiring a tiny, very angry janitor. Reviewers love how Sharky tackles stuck-on stains. Honey, on the other hand, offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, which sounds efficient until you realize it's like trying to pat your head and rub your belly at the same time. Some users noted a lack of instructions for the mopping function, making it less straightforward. Now for navigation and mapping. Sharky uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision, which sounds like it's ready to join NASA. It accurately maps your home and avoids obstacles like a pro. Reviewers are impressed with how well it navigates and maps rooms. Honey, with its intelligent gyroscope navigation, is more like a toddler learning to walk. Cute and somewhat effective, but prone to bumping into stuff. Some users have noted that it can get stuck in certain spots. All right, let's address the elephant in the room. Price. Sharky comes in at a wallet-crushing $699. Honey, at a much friendlier $199, is like that budget-friendly vacation you know you need but still worry about. Reviewers of Honey appreciate the great value for the price, noting its effective cleaning and ease of use. Sharky, while expensive, is seen as a worthwhile investment for those wanting top-notch features. Special features time. Sharky has a self-emptying dustbin, HEPA filtration, and a self-cleaning brush roll. It's basically the Batman of robot vacuums. Reviewers particularly love the self-emptying feature and advanced filtration. Honey offers multiple control methods, including app, amp, and voice control, and a 150-minute battery life, which is like saying it can clean for longer but might still need a nap. Users appreciate the ease of connecting to Wi-Fi and the various control options, though it lacks some advanced features. Overall, reviewers find Sharky to be a powerful and feature-rich option, albeit at a higher price point. It excels in suction power, mopping efficiency, and navigation. Honey, on the other hand, is praised for its affordability and decent performance, making it a good budget-friendly choice. So there you have it, folks. If you want a powerhouse cleaner with all the bells and whistles, Sharky is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, Honey is your new best friend. Remember, the best vacuum is the one that fits your needs and budget. Thanks for watching. Buy Smart. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and comment below on which robot vacuum you're rooting for. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart and keep those floors clean.